Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing good. And this week we are going to unbox the Burago 164 premiums. So I just bought a couple of those since it looked really nice. Let's start with this. I hope you saw the shots as well. So these things looks really nice. It comes with this acrylic case, and I bought this for around 946 rupees. So actually, there are some cars which costed more than 1,000 rupees, more specifically the Ferraris. I know because of the hype, people are going like that. So this is a Huracan Performante. So someone actually asked me, I think long back, I think at least 6 months back, when Maisto actually launched the Speed Icon series, they wanted me to unbox those. So see, Maisto and Burago are same brand now. So I'm hoping this is going to be the same casting as the Maisto. So I need to anyway we need to open this and see. So this is a Huracan Performante. I bought all the glittery colors. As you guys know, I'm a sucker for glittery colors. So this is a glittery blue, glittery green, and let me show you one more. So this, I don't have a glittery black. So when I saw this one, I immediately bought it. I have this Countach in literally every other brand: Hot Wheels Premium, Pop Race, Mini GT, Tomica. What other brand? I think even Kyosho. I need to check whether I have this particular casting. But whatever brand I actually have, Majorette. So I have this particular casting in literally every brand. So I thought, okay, why not? Why not give this a try? So I bought it. So this is a Countach LPI 804, and so yeah. So we will be unboxing this three this week because since these are premiums, so I know I'm just going to unbox this on alternate days. So it is really hard for me to get Hot Wheels nowadays. On top of that, I won't be able to unbox like premiums on daily basis. I will go bankrupt. So I will be unboxing this on alternate day basis. So stay tuned for those, and support for this as well. Okay, so I mean, as usual, thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a great day. Goodbye.